Hi, I wanted to talk about the rollers, wheels on these multi-slide doors, and also the same style rollers, wheels for a lot of different doors. So these mount in the bottoms of each panel. So this is the bottom of this panel, and I've taken the wheel out. It just is held in with a couple screws, and then the whole weight of the panel is on this wheel, and it's adjustable. If you turn this screw, it extends the wheels or retracts the wheels, and that's how we adjust the alignment of the panel in the track. So these wheels roll on this rail here, and they need to support a lot of weight. These panels are a couple 100 pounds, and so how do you adjust it when the door panel is in the frame? Imagine this wheel right here, and you can see this screw. There's a little hole, and now I've gotten that screw right there. So if we need to adjust the reveal on the door panels, we just need to stick this screwdriver in here. Typically we lift up on the panels while we're doing it, but on this screwdriver you can just watch how many turns you're making. You make the same amount of turns, or a little eighth turn adjustment, quarter turn adjustment. It translates to a big difference in the reveal. So these are the rollers on the bottoms of the doors. This is how we adjust the door panels once they're in the frame. And we typically don't really need too much adjustment. We just want all the reveals to be really nice, and so that's how we fine tune this. But the major adjustment is getting the sill perfectly flat when you're installing the frame. The manufacturers say within 1/8 of an inch, within a 30 seconds of an inch, no more than 30 seconds of an inch, or it's not going to look great. And but this is how you fine tune them, is the wheels here.